packs her bags to go, to suggest that no one can stop her now. Oh, she's bringing all her clothes. It's just another thing she does. It calms her down. She drives a small white car. She's just laughing and smoking the hill. She pulls the seat up as far as it can go, and she wants sailboats. It's late, she can't keep her eyes open. She doesn't even try. I said, wake up, wake up. She said, no, 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 'cause it's way too late. 'Cause she stripped by the weather, and she doesn't care whether she sinks or swims, which world she's in. She's riding alone. Never seen such small hands, no, but somehow all those rings get stuck in. She's got the kind of smile that keeps me always thinking, always. Think about the way she talks, how her voice gets high on the phone, calling it dumb love. How I treat her sometimes, yet all I feel is love. And I'll give her horses, no, no, ba-da-bum, bum, ba-bum, ba-da-dum. When it's late, she can't keep her eyes open. She doesn't even try. I say, wake up, wake up, wake up. She said, no, 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 'cause it's way too late. 'Cause she stripped by the weather, and she doesn't care whether she sinks or swims. This world she's in, she's riding alone. When the TV's on, she won't even answer me. And at night when we sleep, she rolls over to my side, and I push her away, but it's never way too long. It's never way too long. It's never way too long. No, 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 no. Before she starts